The National Videogame Museum has acquired the oldest Nintendo PlayStation hardware prototype that was never released. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The museum, which is based in Frisco, announced the news in a social media post, writing, "Breaking, the NVM has acquired the mythical Nintendo PlayStation." It also claimed that the Sony MSF-1 is the oldest known existing Nintendo PlayStation hardware artifact in the world and is the original development system for Sony's planned Super Nintendo CD attachment. It's the only known unit to exist. One of the biggest myths of all time now lives here at the NVM. The post was accompanied by several photos of the prototype showing the not for sale and MSF-1 stickers on the front and side panels. The MSF-1 is a very early prototype that didn't make it to the stage of final product design. For some context, Sony and Nintendo were initially in a partnership in the early 1990s to develop a CD-ROM add-on for their Super Nintendo Entertainment System called the SNES CD, aka the Nintendo PlayStation, which was announced in 1992. However, the collaboration ultimately didn't see the light of day, and the project later helped in the creation of the original PlayStation. Ken Kutaragi, the co-creator of PlayStation, also owns a similar version of the Super Nintendo CD. But unlike those prototypes, the MSF-1 was intended to slot into a standard SNES cartridge port. A prototype of the Nintendo PlayStation was auctioned off in 2019, and other models exist, but the National Videogame Museum is now the owner of the earliest prototype you can get your hands on and will likely be displayed for fans to see. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.